There's a moment. Maybe it happened to you this morning. You're mid-sentence, and suddenly, nothing. The word you need is right there. You can feel it, but it won't come. So you say, "You know what I mean," and move on. But inside, something breaks a little. Because you used to be sharp. You used to be the one with answers. And now you're wondering, when did thinking become so hard? Here's what's actually happening. Your brain runs on chemistry, neurotransmitters, blood flow, cellular energy, and by your mid-30s, these systems start to slow. Not because something's wrong with you, because no one taught you how to support them. We optimize everything, our schedules, our diets, our workouts, but the organ that runs all of that, we just hope it keeps working. Caffeine isn't support. It's a loan with interest. You borrow energy in the morning. You pay it back at 3 p.m. with fatigue, with fog, with that hollow feeling behind your eyes. What if instead of pushing your brain, you actually fed it? There's a formula that's been quietly changing lives. Synaptogen. It's not a stimulant. There's nothing to crash from. It's a precise blend of compounds that your brain actually recognizes. Acetylcholine, the building block of neurotransmitter production. Lion's mane, shown in studies to support nerve growth factor. Ginkgo biloba, used for centuries to enhance cerebral blood flow. Together, they don't force your brain into overdrive. They restore what time and stress have slowly taken. Users describe it the same way. It's like someone turned the lights back on. Not wired, not anxious, just clear. The way you remember feeling, the way you deserve to feel again. Ideas connecting, words arriving on time. That quiet confidence of knowing, actually knowing, that your mind is with you. Synaptogen is manufactured in GMP-certified facilities. No proprietary blends hiding behind vague labels. Every ingredient, every dose, fully transparent. This isn't about becoming superhuman. It's about becoming yourself again. The focused version, the sharp version. The version that doesn't second-guess every thought. If you've made it this far in this video, you already know something needs to change. The only question is whether today is the day you do something about it. Click below, read the research, check the reviews, make an informed decision. Your brain has carried you this far. Maybe it's time you returned the favor. Synaptogen, clarity restored.